Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Consulat Executive Leather Office Chair. Assembly Guide. Included in the box are seat pad, backrest with bracket attached, a pair of arms, 5-star base, gas strut and cover, 5 casters, mechanism, 4 45mm bolts, 4 bolt caps, 1 large Allen key and 1 small Allen key, 4 25mm bolts, 4 22mm bolts. These bolts are pre-inserted into their respective holes to prevent them from getting lost during transit. Use the Allen key provided to remove these. To start, take the 5-star base and insert the casters into the holes, pushing firmly until they click. Turn the base over and drop the gas strut into the centre. Take the gas strut cover and place it over the gas strut. Lay the backrest down and place the seat pad on top, like this. Using the 4 45mm bolts, attach the arms to the seat and backrest. It's important that you do not fully tighten these bolts at this stage. Now, unfold the chair and line up the bracket at the base of the backrest with the holes at the back of the seat, and use the 4 25mm bolts to secure. Once all of the bolts are inserted, you can tighten any loose bolts. Next, line up and attach the mechanism to the seat underside using the 4 22mm bolts, making sure the arrow on the mech is pointing to the front of the seat. Again, do not fully tighten these bolts until they're all inserted. We recommend you use the Allen key provided and not an electric screwdriver, as this can strip the threads. Next, with the help of another person, lift the chair onto the gas strut. You should feel it slot into the hole in the base of the chair. Lastly, insert the 4 bolt caps over the holes in the arms. Please keep the Allen keys to check the bolts every 6 months to ensure they're tight, and tighten any if they've come loose. And there you have it. Your new Consulat Executive Leather Office Chair is ready to use. From Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.